My name is Mishek Katongo Mutamba. I'm Programs Manager for Zambia Federation of Disability Organizations, ZAFOD. As the national umbrella civil society organizations for persons with disabilities, ZAFOD is disturbed by the inertia that we have often received from ECZ, the Electoral Commission of Zambia, with regards to implementation of the 2011 High Court judgment, Sela Brotherton and others versus ECZ. In that High Court ruling, the High Court of Zambia ordered the Electoral Commission of Zambia to actively commit to ensuring the fulfillment of the political right for citizens with disabilities in Zambia. You may recall that historically, persons with disabilities have had challenges in accessing electoral spaces, participating meaningfully in political life like other citizens. Some of the issues raised in the court ruling to do with the physical infrastructure that ECZ uses. ECZ uses schools, they use clinics and other private structures over which they claim not to have authority in terms of adjustment. Yeah, but that does not excuse the ECZ from fulfilling a right. If you go to the UNCRPD, the Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities, Article number 29, talks about the access to political and public life. It's a right, and it states in there that state parties should guarantee or must guarantee, access to political spaces for persons with disabilities. When it says guarantee, it's an assurance. But over the years, we're talking about 2011, we are in 2026. Yeah, that's more than enough time for ECZ to have demonstrated commitment to the court ruling. Yeah, but just recently we observed the voter registration in about over 20 districts of Zambia, and the story is the same. I was in Kafue as an observer. Almost all the 8 registration centers that I visited were not accessible to voters with disabilities. And so this song has been running over and over with very little, if any, response from the stakeholder who is charged with the responsibility to ensure that there is no citizen who is disenfranchised because of a disability. And we have reached a point, a crossroad, where we cannot continue to engage ECZ. And they are seriously, as Zambia Federation of Disability Organizations, considering going back to the High Court of Zambia and revisit the court order and look at other legal measures that we can take to compel the Electoral Commission of Zambia to act prudently, to act responsibly, and to act progressively on this very important human right for our citizens with disabilities.